So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to see analytics on TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you have login to your account. So let's open it. So this is your home page. You can simply click on profile button here. Then you can click on three dots, then settings and privacy, and you can see the option called analytics, so click on it. So here you can get all your information like about your contents, about your viewers and about your followers, which help to improve your ID, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.